Braden here from In the Loop, checking in at the Voyage to the Iron Reef construction here at Knott's Berry Farm. Showed up today and there's a bunch of walls around. Actually have some more construction walls pushed out around the awning area. There's also some cool mural stuff over in front of the awning. You can see showing off some cool little steampunk biomechanical crab over here. Steampunk biomechanical manta ray or stingray. They've got scaffolding up all the way up to the top of the roof now. Probably going to remove the rest of the residue of the awning that's up there. I'm hoping that they put something back in here because since Knott's Berry Tales, they've always had some type of awning out here. We'll just have to wait and see what they do here. But obviously something's going on in here. They've now removed the game that sat in the old entrance to Kingdom of the Dinosaurs. So the old queue area looks like it's going to be used. You can see this was the old Kingdom of the Dinosaur queue here in this picture. So maybe something similar to this is going to be brought to Voyage to the Iron Reef. Well, that'll do it for now. Just a short check-in. Remember to subscribe and keep up to date with all the construction going on at attractions all across America, not just here at Knott's Berry Farm. See you guys then.